Now I am going to install Office 365. Before going to install, we have to follow only 3 steps. Number 1, user ID. Basically, user ID you will get from Microsoft or your system administrator. Number 2, log and sign in office.com. And number 3, install Office 365. So number 1, I already got the user ID and password from Microsoft. So number 2, log and sign in office.com. Now I am going to log in office.com like this interface, and you put your user ID and password. Then you show the dashboard on behalf of your user ID. So you see I am getting Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, SharePoint, Microsoft Team, Microsoft Booking, My Analytics and Planner. So for installing these all application, just I am going to the install Office button, then click the premium Office apps, and you see just save button and download a file. Just wait a second and click this one and run one, then yes. You see it's already installing and it's take some time. It's depend on the internet connectivity and speed. And it's take some time. Just wait a little bit. It's about 10 minutes. So it's once done, then I will back again. So now Office 365 installation has been done. Now I am going to open Office. You see this is the Word, Office 365 Word. Just I am open it, then so here you see user ID, login the sign in office.com and installation of Office 365 apps. All 3 steps has been done. So now thank you for watching my video.